Hello, little friends. I'm PapaKids, and today we're going to count all the way to 10. Are you ready? Let's go. This is a little truck. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. These are 10 little trucks. Bravo! I am PapaKids. Bye-bye.